A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Mark. At that time, Jesus went up on the mountain and called to him those whom he desired. And they came to him, and he appointed 12, whom he also named apostles, so that they might be with him, and he might send them out to preach and have authority to cast out demons. He appointed the 12, Simon, to whom he gave the name Peter, James the son of Zebedee, and John the brother of James, to whom he gave the name Boanerges, that is, sons of thunder, Andrew and Philip, and Bartholomew, and Matthew, and Thomas, and James the son of Alphaeus, and Thaddeus, and Simon the Zealot, and Judas Iscariot, who betrayed him. The Gospel of the Lord. In today's Gospel, we heard from the Gospel of Mark, chapter 3, verses 13 to 19. Jesus calls his 12 disciples whom he wanted. He went to the mountain to pray. He prayed whole night. And there were so many disciples. Out of so many, he called only 12 by name. And he appointed them, and he called them apostles for 3 reasons. The first reason is to be with him physically and spiritually. And the second reason is to be sent out to preach the good news, the message of God. And the third reason is to cast out demons with authority. So Jesus called these 12 disciples after praying on the mountain, and he called whom he wanted. It is not the disciples, they wanted to follow Jesus, but it was Jesus, one who called the people. So this is what vocation or call comes from above. Even if we want to follow him, we cannot follow unless God calls us. So this is called the divine call, divine vocations. So calls comes from above. And he is making them, creating them, and appointing them. In the Old Testament, God called the 12 tribes under the Mount Sinai, and he made the Israel, made a new nation, the people of God. So in the New Testament, Jesus also doing the same thing as God made the new covenant with the Israelites under the Mount Sinai. So here also in the Gospel, Jesus is going to make a new covenant with the people of God. And he's calling the 12 numbers representing the 12 tribes of Israel. The 12 tribes are representing the whole people of God. So God is creating the new people of God, the new Israel, the new church. So these 12 disciples are representing the people of God. And he called them, he appointed them with authority, which means with leadership. So Jesus is not calling his disciples to follow him, to pray, to preach, but with leadership, appointment with authority. So who is given the authority? The leaders. The leaders can get authority. So that is what we need to be, the leaders of the church, leaders of the country, leaders of the family. Let us pray in this Mass. God has called us by baptism. Let us follow him, to be with him. Let us also preach the good news to the people, And let us go out with the power and authority of God to proclaim the good news as well as healing the sick. May the good Lord bless us all in this Mass.